And hello everybody, I'm going to show you how to record your steps. Now what you want to do is you want to go search for your step recorder. Okay, now I don't know why I did this though, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to search for WordPad. Then you just go to step recorder and you say open the file on its location point or whatever is on your computer, and then you just like create a shortcut or open it from there, whatever. After you've opened it, just say start recording and it will start recording all your steps. I'm just going to do a few things like, let's click at one place, do whatever, I don't know, and then after that I'm going to say stop recording and I'm going to show you the outcome. Now after you said stop, it's going to give you this screenshot with pretty much detailed steps of what to do, how to do it, when to do it, and so on, which I find is pretty interesting and amazing. It takes away so much time that you could have spent on doing something else, like just taking screenshots by yourself, saving them and then editing them. But on here it does it for you. It is amazing. I just love it. So now I'm just going to test it a little bit more, just see what's going to happen when I just like scroll down on the HTML I made and just like do a few things, just just see what's up. And I'm going to see if it records everything in a detailed way and all of that, and you guys can see it's actually a really useful app, especially if you're someone that contributes to the web, telling people how to do things and all of that stuff. And there you go guys. Now I really love this and I think it's really useful. See, it gives you everything in such great detail. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful and I hope you leave a like and subscribed. Now also, I am very sorry for not uploading again last week. I promised it to one of you guys and I never did it. My grandparents came over. I couldn't actually, make a voice in that video because I do it at night. We all know that you can't go on and just talk because everybody's gonna be away. But I'm gonna try. I made it and stuff, so I'm just gonna edit it and then I'm gonna upload it and it's gonna be perfect.
To teach the world to fact and